हाँ ऊपर लाइट जल गया था. That is called thunder and lightning. Rain has come. No monster is coming. No monster is coming. हाँ मच्छर आ रहा है. Piyu, why is cloud bad girl? There is no monster. It is only wind. Wind is blowing. Wind is good girl.
Yes.
Piyu is also good girl. Yes. Mummy is also good girl.
Cloud is also good.
Cloud is also good girl. Very good.
We are not blowing.
We are not blowing.
Cloud is good girl. Hawa is good girl. And Reed is good girl.
Very good.
Three good girl.
3 good girl. क्या हुआ?
Talking.
It's what? What is talking? Nothing is talking.
Plant is talking.
Plant is talking. No, plant is just moving. It is not talking.
Plant is moving.
Yes, plant is moving.
Plant is
नहीं गिर रही, नहीं गिर रही.
Doggy is crying.
No doggy is crying.
Doggy is crying.
When did you hear?
Doggy
Where
wants
is the-
some food?
Doggy wants some food. Which doggy?
Food.
Which doggy wants food?
This.
There is no doggy.
The doggy.
That is just a statue.
This is statue.
Yes, that is a statue.
It's so crying.
Sit down. You are dancing. Dance me आया. You पीछे चलो. Get back inside. Sit down. हाँ, we are blue. Oh my God! So much of lightning. Big light. You like big light? I also like big light. Now you can hear the thunder. सुनाई दिया? And when do we meet again? In thunder, lightning and rain. 3. 3. Thunder. Thunder, lightning and rain.
2
Hmm.
and 1.
Yes.
And it is. Hava.
Hawa is hitting us.
हवा is blowing.
Yes, हवा is blowing. ठंड लग रही है then please go back inside.
पापा को बोलो.
हाँ तुम जाओ बुलाओ.
पापा.
ऐसे नहीं सुनेगा, अंदर जाके बोल.
He's too blowing. Bobby. Bobby, he's too. हवा is blowing.
हाँ अंदर चल. No. हटो फिर.